In today's video, we'll discuss about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. On February 1st, Samsung will introduce its most powerful smartphone, the S23 Ultra. If you're wondering about the battery capacity of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, you'll be glad to hear that the S23 series will have an outstanding battery life and a superior battery backup. Despite having the same 5000 mAh battery capacity as the previous year's S22 Ultra, we have a 200 mAh battery capacity boost in both the S23 and S23 Plus. According to Anthony, the S23 series will provide some great battery life, providing you a better battery backup, and it may even exceed the Xiaomi 13 and the iPhone 14 series. But in my view, the S23 series may even go near to the iPhone 14 series, but defeating them would be difficult. Another aspect that may boost the battery life of the S23 series is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, as well as the new cooling system that will be released this year as part of the S23 series, which will provide you with a greater battery life backup. On the S23 Ultra, Samsung is raising the resolution of portrait video, aka cinematic film, from 1080p to maybe 4K, making it considerably more useful. Another report is that Samsung has improved the resolution of Super Steady video from 1080p to 1440p. 2K Super Steady footage may be beneficial at times, but the fact that it was restricted to 1080p on the S22 Ultra rendered it unusable for most people. We're delighted they're rectifying it. It will still be somewhat inferior than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has a 1580p resolution, but the difference between 1440p and 1580p is quite little, so I don't believe this is a major concern. Now, there is some bad news for you in terms of pricing, since most nations are raising their prices this year, except for us, who are keeping the same prices as last year as S22 Ultra. But don't despair, since additional pre-order specials are on the way that will provide you with a greater value for your device. The first is that it will have a memory upgrade option, which implies that you will obtain 512 GB of storage for the price of 256 GB. In addition, in select countries, you will get a Galaxy Buds Pro and a Galaxy Watch 5 Plus, and in the United States, you will receive a $50 credit if you pre-order the device right now. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.